What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine and spirits videos here on YouTube, and wine and spirits pronunciation videos, spirits from around the world, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous brand of cognac brandy from France. Yes, cognac can only be made in France, in an area around the town that is called Cognac in France. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this famous brand with a typical French pronunciation? Courvoisier. Courvoisier Cognac. Cognac Courvoisier, but it'd be fine in English or American if you cannot pronounce the French R, which can be quite tricky, to simply say Courvoisier. Courvoisier Cognac. Courvoisier Cognac, but in French again, Courvoisier Cognac. Cognac Courvoisier. If you want to learn more about how cognac is made, everything that you need to know about how cognac is made or how to serve cognac, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine and spirits. Au revoir.